So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the ETS cycle, okay, and ETS cycle is the third cycle of cellular respiration, okay, and in this cycle the ATP which is formed in the glycolysis and Krebs cycle involve here, okay, and they and involve here for capturing the NADH and FADH which is formed in the Krebs cycle and glycolysis. They capture which NADH2 and FADH2 and thrown to the where matrix, okay. So I will remind to you that glycolysis cycle takes place where cytoplasm, okay, net gain of ATP how much 8 ATP, okay, and in this NADH2 is also formed. So NADH2, if you see NADH2, how much one NADH2 form 3 ATP molecule, and if you see in the citric and Krebs citric, or you can say Krebs cycle, uh, how much ATP is formed, 30 ATP is formed, okay, and 3 CO2 molecule is also evolved here, okay. So these total 38 molecule of ATP is formed in glycolysis as well as citric and Krebs cycle, and these ATP involved here for capturing the NADS and FADS2 to throw to the where in the mitochondrial which space in the matrix, okay. So it is the simple means you should be remember that point. After that you can remind, you can easy to means it will help to learn in easy way, okay. So if you see here, this is the NADH2 where it is present in the matrix, okay. This is the mitochondria. This is structure is not very clear, but if you see, this is the crystal, this is the inner membrane, this is the outer membrane. In between two layer is called intermembrane space, okay. So in this, if you see the cycle in this NADH2, first of all you should be remembered that four complexes involved here. First complex is NADH reductase, means NADH reductase involved in this, which break down to NADH2 to NAD plus 2 hydrogen 2 electron, okay. Some student cannot understand how it is formed, okay. So you should remember that NADH2, this is the NADH2 NAD, okay. So if this is the bond here, this when it will break, this single bond always formed by 2 electron, okay. So here 2 electron is involved here, 2 hydrogen, this is the 2 hydrogen, NAD plus 2 H plus and 2 electron, okay. So if you see, this hydrogen is formed here, okay. These 2 electron further move FMN here, capture these 2 electron and to passes to the FES, okay. These, if you see here, it is an ingredient, means concentration is high to low, and these 2 electron when move here, the hydrogen will passes from this side, means from where matrix to inner space, okay, understand. And this is the intermembranous space, okay. So first complex is FMN, FES and FES, okay. So this is the flavin mononucleotide, okay. Full name is flavin mononucleotide. This is the iron sulfur protein, okay. So if you see in this, I have also mentioned, you can remember from here, NADH reductase FMN, okay, and FES, okay. It passes electron NADH2 to UQ, means NADH2 to UQ, okay, complete. Second complex involve FADH2 UQ and UKH2, means FADH2 here, this FADH2 will break from here, this one FAD, same process involved in the breakdown FADH2, okay. So these electron further when formed, these will UQ capture these electron and these move from SID B and FES SID, okay. Means FADH2 UQ to UKH2, here this is the second complex, okay, FADH2 UQ and UQS2, and when these electron passes from here, these hydrogen will transfer here, okay. Like that, complex 3 containing set B1 FES UQ and UQS2, this is the third complex, okay. So here same process involved here, okay. So last electron capturing fourth complex, and it is sit A3, okay. You should be remembered because question can be asked which is the last electron acceptor, okay. So then sit A and A3, okay. In the if question will be asked that which is the intermembranal space component which capture the electron, then this will be, okay. And if the question will be asked which is the last electron capturing species, then it will be the oxygen, because if you see these electron half oxygen involved here, 2 hydrogen and 2 electron converted to H2O, okay. So this is the first component, this is the fourth complex. Fifth complex is ATP synthetase, okay. This is the tunnels, okay. In this hydrogen will be removed from this side, okay. So here if, okay, so this process takes place in the intermembranal space, and in this hydrogen will be transferred from this one, okay. So here higher, this is the higher concentration, this is the lower concentration, okay. So these are the, so final electron acceptor will be the oxygen, okay. ETS cycle where takes place, ATP formation takes place where, matrix, okay. And cycle ETS cycle takes place in the intermembrane space of mitochondria, okay. So which is the small protein? It is the small protein. This question can be asked in several times of in NEET exams, okay. Attached to the intermembrane of outer space, intermembrane, which is the intermembrane, this is the matrix, okay. This is the intermembrane of outer surface, intermembrane, this is the outer surface, okay. So sit C is present. Sit C, actually this is the attached, this is attached very cloudily, okay, this system, and this is the, actually this is the proteins, okay. So this is the ETS cycle, okay. So after that what happened here, ATP synthetase, this after this cycle ATP synthetase involved, means oxidative phosphorylation steps takes place, okay. And so it is the ETS cycle, okay. Simple flow of energy takes place in this, and in the concentration in gradient, means difference in the concentration takes place by which electron moves from higher to lower concentration, and here in this, these 2 hydrogen and 2 electron which is involved where takes place in the water, takes place in the formation of water, okay. So it is the simple question can be asked from this, that complex second will be the like that, okay. And this, and there are in several, I think in NEET exam the question will be asked the cycle, means what is the sequence of this cycle, okay. So you should be remember that, okay. So it is the major and important point regarding the ETS cycle, okay. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, then please write down in the comment box, we will solve your problem, okay. So thank you for